Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large files using Google Drive. So as you know, normally when you send a file through Gmail, the attachment size limit is 25 megabytes and I'm going to show you how you can send a large file through Google Drive. So what you need to do is go to your Gmail and then go ahead and click on Compose in the top left corner, and then it will bring you on this page, and there will be some icons on the bottom here. So you want to go ahead and click on this drive icon, which is to the right of the emoji button. That will then load up this window where you can upload a file to Google Drive. So now if you go and upload, you can then select files from your device, and for the video I just sent this video here, which is, as you can see, over 25 megabytes. As you can see that it's more than 25 megabytes. It will be shared via Google Drive link, which is fine. We can then click upload and it will then start to upload this file to Google Drive. Now the file has been uploaded, it's automatically being attached to the email, and now we need to give a recipient and a subject and we are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.